Section 1. Bill of materials. The following materials are required to assemble a set of arm assemblies. Section 2. Tool list. The tools used in this video are No 3-hexagonal spanner, No 4-hexagonal spanner, leaf port spanner. Section 3. Material assembly. First we assemble the No 1 and No 4 arm assemblies, and find the No 1 or No 4 outer joint tens. Next we find the power sleeve assembly No 1 at the head and tail of the machine. In the first step we take the No 1 power sleeve assembly wire harness through the carbon tube of the arm in the right direction. Step 2. Place the power sleeve on the carbon tube. Note the downward orientation of the carbon tube opening. Step 3. Use a number 4 hexagon socket through the screw nut. Thread through the carbon tube opening. Attach the power sleeve to the carbon tube. Next, attach the remaining 4 No 3 hexagon socket screws in the bottom mounting holes of the power sleeve and lock them in place. Step 5. Attach the bar bracket. Attach the bar bracket to the bottom mounting hole of the bar. Note the orientation of the bar bracket. Secure it with the 3-socket head cap screw. This completes the assembly of Arm 1. Note that Arm 1 and Arm 4 are assembled in the same way. Next we assemble Arm 2. The first step is to locate the No 2 outer joint carbon tube. Step 2. Locate the antenna opening for the No 2 outer joint carbon tube. Step 3. Pass the antenna through the opening and into the carbon tube. Insert the restriction pins on both sides into the carbon tube to secure it in place. Step 4. Locate the No 2 power sleeve assembly. Secondly, insert the No 2 power sleeve assembly harness. Pass the wire harness through the carbon tube in the same direction. Step 5. Fix it in the same way as power sleeve No 1. Step 6. Attach the electrical bar bracket. Fix it in the same way as Arm 1. This completes the installation of the No 2 arm assembly. Note, Arm 2 and Arm 6 are assembled in the same way. Next we assemble Arm 3. Step 1. Locate the No 3 outer joint carbon tube. Step 2. Locate the No 3 power sleeve assembly. Note the centrifugal nozzle version. The No 3 power sleeve assembly has a centrifugal nozzle connection cable. Step 3. The number of power sleeve and centrifugal nozzle wires follow the direction of the arrow. Pass through the inside of the carbon tube. Step 4. Attach power sleeve No 2. Fix the No 1 power sleeve in the same way as the No 1 power sleeve. Step 5. Attach the electrical bar bracket, fixed according to the way the no one arm is fixed. Step 6. Pass the sprinkler system hose through the cabin tube through the pre-drilled opening below the cabin tube. Be careful not to forget to install the rubber gasket. This completes the installation of the No 3 arm assembly. Note that the No 3 arm is assembled in the same way as the No 6 arm. This completes the installation of all 6 arm assemblies. Review of assembly points in Section 4.